All right, Lewis here with BluePrint Cabinets, and I want to answer the question that I've gotten a lot on our Facebook page and from people reaching out to us to say, where are you located? How do we get here? Now, we've just got signs up on the shop, which is super exciting, so that when you do get here, you can see where we're located quite easily. But I wanted to kind of give people an idea here, right? So if you're coming from Fredericton, pretty much anywhere south side, you're just going to go across the bridge there, the Princess Margaret, and then you're going to come down here, and boom, there we are. If you are coming from, let's say, from Oromocto, probably going to be quickest to come right across Majorville, or you can come across, but a lot of people, you're just going to come across the Princess Margaret Bridge here, hang a right, and then you're going to come down here past the power lines. I don't know if we can see that on the on here, but you're going to pass like some blinking power lines. You're going to come driving down here. Here, we'll even make this look like this here. So you're going to come down here, and we're just right here in this building here, right beside Jason Latouche Roofing. And if you're coming from Fredericton, we are just before Naturally Fit Gym, right? So again, just to kind of help people see where we're at. Naturally Fit is right there. Jason Latouche Roofing has a building right there. And kind of to zoom back out here, coming anywhere from south side, it's probably going to be the quickest to go across the Princess Margaret. If you're coming from the north side, just go down Route 105 here, come on down past Cannon's Cross, keep going out by the Schultons here, and then you'll see us there on your left if you're coming from Fredericton, and on your right if you're coming from Majorville. So looking forward to seeing you guys. Appreciate all the love and the support from everyone so far, and we're ready to help you with your kitchen or your bathroom upgrade when you're ready.